In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync folders in Google Drive on your computer and smartphone. In your Windows computer, open the Google Drive desktop application by left-clicking on the icon. In the Google Drive homepage, select a folder by left-clicking the Add Folder button. Here, select a folder. After selecting, simply choose the Sync option and then click Done in the lower right corner of the screen. Your selected folder will be synced with Google Drive. To sync folders on Android, open the Google Play Store application by tapping on the icon. In the search bar, type Google Drive AutoSync and install the first application that pops up. After installation, open the application by tapping the icon. In the application, give the app access to everything that it requires. Then, click Connect to Google Drive and select the account you want to auto-sync. Give the permission and your account is synced.